Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm drawing a spicy red chili completely using drawing markers. No pencil, no paint. I began by drawing the shape of the chili directly with marker. No sketching beforehand, just freehand confidence, letting the curves flow naturally. For the body, I used a strong red marker as the base color. I will also add orange later to highlight the brighter areas, make it look more vibrant and juicy. The stalk was done using green, with a little dot at the end for a fun finishing touch. That simple bit of green makes the red body pop even more, to give the chili depth and dimension. Now I am putting orange color to highlight brighter area. I used black and gray to add shading. These darker tones helped bring out the curves and natural wrinkles on the surface. Just markers, it's raw, bold, and expressive. No erasing, just full trust in each stroke. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this chili marker drawing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.